22 days to go bago ang highly anticipated GMA Gala this year. At almost ready ang grand event at meron na tayong preview sa details, including the menu. Pati Kapuso stars ready to serve looks at may hint sa kanilang magiging attire. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
August 2 is not just another Saturday. On that day, all eyes are on one event kung saan magsasama-sama ang pinakamaningning sa industriya ng showbiz, the GMA Gala 2025. Ngayon pa lang, getting ready na ang mga namamahala nito, kabilang na si GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez at Sparkle GMA Artist Center First Vice President Joy Marcelo.
I'm excited personally to see how our stars will level up what they're wearing, their styling. So I'm very excited to see that. And every gala, I see them just mingling, enjoying each other's company, and sana ito talagang maging opportunity again for them to just be themselves and enjoy friendship, enjoy the feeling of family.
At less than 1 month to D-Day, tiniyak ng mga nasa likod nito ang isang hindi malilimutang event.
Since we are celebrating, GMA is celebrating their 75th anniversary this year. Yes, Diamond anniversary. So it's going to be bigger and I would say more unique and syempre mas bongga.
All preps na rin sa 3-course meal na isa-serve sa grand event. Ang mga ingredients flown in pa from abroad.
The guests can expect first freshness, first class produce, like the beautiful shrimps from Vietnam, the tenderloin from the US, the flour from Indonesia for our soup. It's all about glamour, it's all about quality, it's all about GMA.
At syempre, expect nothing but glam sa gaganaping red carpet sa grand event. Sa mga tinanong naming stars,
yes, may gown na po. May theme ulit siya. And yun lang po. may theme kasi every time I do a gala, may kwento yung ginagawa ko. May kwento yung gown.
Meron na akong vision na sana, ang maganda kasi yung gusto kong gown.
Simple lang sa amin, suit and tie lang naman eh. So mahalaga lang sa amin, mag-sharpen yung dating namin, maging dapper talaga pagdating sa gala.
Ang ex-PBB housemate na si Michael Sager, excited nang makasama ang kanyang housemates sa bahay ni Kuya na dadalo rin sa GMA Gala. At para sa natatanging gabing yun,
we'll go classic again but lagyan natin ng konting twist para special.
Si Shubi Etrata naman,
gusto ko classic, may iba din tayong atake ba? Ganun. Kaya pakitaan ko sila na pwede tayo mag-high fashion na.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.